Well, hello guys, it's Lego Show TV here. This time, doing my very first Legends of Chima Legend Beast set. This is set 70127 Wolf Legend Beast with 111 pieces, ages 7 to 14. Legend Beast include 20 minifigure, worriz from the Legend of Chima 2014. And there's the front of your box, and there's what the back. If it was on the back of the packaging, that's what it looks like. And let's look at your minifigure right now. Alright, so your minifigure here in this Legend Beast is the Wolf Worriz of the Wolf Tribe. And as you can see, he has new weapons. This is the same 2013 version as we get in combat layer and speed ores. The only thing different is that his weapons is this blue thing on this lightsaber hilt. That is the red version of the thing we get in the sword we get in the Warren's combat layer. So that's cool. And we also get one piece of chi and some extra pieces from the Legend Beast included in the set. And we get this non-printed Gungan shield. Alright, let's take a look at Worriz real quick. Alright, so here's a look at Worriz. As you can see, he's just a basic Worriz. And there's his head printing. And we take off the harness piece, which is the basic harness for 2013 to 2014. And yeah, here's his printing. We haven't seen Worriz in a while, so it's good to see him, but I would like to have seen him in Outland armor, which would be pretty awesome. So yeah, there's his front printing and the leg detail, and then there's the back, and then it's a double-sided face. And that includes your minifigure Worriz. It includes the minifigures. And we're going to take a look at the Wolf Legend Beast now. I just built this set, just got it today. I also have the Croc and the Lion Legend Beasts. And before I get on to the set itself, these do use the Mixel ball joints. And so, yeah. And if you haven't watched the Mixel's review, go check it out. Alright, here's the Legend Beast. Start off here, we have the posable legs. Let's take a look at each of them exclusively. And these are stickers. Right, here's a sticker. This is supposed to be Outland armor. And we had those pointy fingers right there. And no around here do I see a Mixel with these pointy fingers. Or, I mean, toes. That's a sticker. And then we have the ball socket joint connection pieces. And from the Mixels. So each of these are built the same way a little bit, just a little bit different depending on how you pose them. Yeah, that's your Legend Beast legs. Just take a look at them. Stickers everywhere, just the same type of thing as the Hero Factory. And probably a little bit different than the Legend Beast legs in the front. It's a lot smaller. And yeah, just a lot smaller Legend Beast legs in the front, in the back, than in the front. Take all the body parts. Oops! crap. No. Where is it? No, please. Crab apples. Ah, great. Now I've lost the wolf head. Dang it! Oh, there it is. Sorry about that. I did not mean to do that. It's kind of fragile. The head is a little bit. So, sorry. Got in the panic mode there. While we're on at it, you can see this is a printed piece. And you can go like raw. And then that's the detailing on the face there. And here's the body. And all kinds of mixed joints used in this set, so yeah. Just carefully snap the head back on. And then put the legs back on. Carefully. Put them back on. And by the way, the only feature is worriz can ride in the battle with the legend beast. So, and by the way, this is the girl. This is probably the wolf legend beast, the one that she talks about in the Great Story episode. And in the episode that I'm gonna film, episode 8, the final battle in the Outlands, he does use this piece. So, let's go on to the ratings for the set. Alright, the only downfall about this Legend Beast overall is the printing on the worriz figure. The only thing about this set is that it would have been nice to have the Outland stuff instead of the regular 2014 thing, or 2013 thing. Yeah, that's what I meant. So, and by the way, it comes with this card. It's $10 US, $9.99. If you don't know. Overall, I'm gonna go 9.5 for this set today. So, please comment, subscribe, and I'll hope you'll subscribe for the next Legend Beast review. Bye.